Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, and of course with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have a spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats, and on either side you have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, 12-volt power outlet, and on the other side you have a power button for your cargo lights that can be articulated to shine wherever you like. And then underneath this rugged cargo floor you have your spare wheel with some extra room around for other equipment. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with fold-out armrests and two cup holders in the middle, as well as having a USB and USB-C down there, and the backs of the seats have zippered pouches, as well as molly rigging that you can hook equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, My View with a digital speedometer, driver assistance features and settings, you're now playing, phone controls, and then you have further information. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, and below that you have your media controls with your auto start stop shut off and hazards. Below that you have this little tray area, and moving down further you have your climate controls with heated front seats so you can stay warm, and below that you have a wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. You also have a 12-volt USB and USB-C. And then moving on, you have your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, two cup holders, parking brake, brake hold, and your GOAT mode selector, or your drive mode selector, for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have your center compartment / armrest, with plenty of room inside, including another USB and USB-C. And last but not least, you do have a power moonroof up top so you can lay in the sunshine, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.